Goodyear blimp. What is up, people? We are back at the bus and I am excited. Today is a really awesome day because my friend Nate is coming over and he is going to be helping us weld the rest of the roof transition square tubing supports. I hope we get all the way through it. Today is going to be great. Nate's a really good guy. I love Nate. And we got Gabby here today. We got Tommy here. It's going to be a great day, people. Let's get going. Nate said on the way 2 minutes ago. So yeah, we're here to finish the transition. My buddy Nate is coming and it's going to be a good day. It was really crappy weather for the last 2 days up until right now. So now I gotta call Wes Lewis from the Transcendence bus. I'm gonna FaceTime him because I'm gonna make sure that we're doing this the right way. Because I feel like we're not. I could be wrong though. I am kind of paranoid sometimes. Super paranoid. He's here. What's up, man?
Oh, there you go. Hello.
How's it going, dude?
Good, man. I've just been here welding up some stuff. I got my air compressor that I'm welding up here, and then I mounted the tank in between the frame rails.
Oh wow! So my buddy that's a pro welder's coming over here shortly, and he asked me to be ready for him, and I'm just wondering if we're doing this correctly. I'm filming right now. Do you want to say hi to the camera?
Okay, sure. Hi, everybody out there in whatever land you're in.
All right. I'm just talking with Wes Lewis right now, and he is going to make sure we're doing this correctly because we are not professionals around here. And I was gonna say we're pretty much doing it the same way you were doing it. I mean, I love the shot that you get of walking linearly with your bus. I don't even know if that's a word. Parallel with your bus, and you can see all the runners going both ways. It's a really good look at like how you did it.
Let me ask you this. You're gonna put 5 runners that are basically just straight, right?
Yeah, you're talking
from top to the bottom.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so what you'll want to do if you think you're not going to put a window in, or even if you think you will, I guess, make sure instead of running 5 of them perfectly straight, add 2 more at an angle. So you know how you got your roof heights are different heights?
Yep.
You want to make sure you do is, if you have them straight pieces coming down, they're still able to do this a little bit. So if you triangulate those, that'll stop it from being able to do that. Does that make sense?
Yeah, so my question is then...
Run 5 down and then run 2 at an angle, like between the first and the second and the fourth and the fifth.
Right, so what you're saying is put one here next to this and then put one like this.
Yeah, you can do that either right in the center, or it might be better to like say, put them near the edge.
Okay.
Between the first and the third or the fourth and the fifth.
Well, cool, man. Yeah, my buddy Nate here. Say hi, Nate.
What's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
Not too bad, man. Just do a little welding today.
Well, thank you very much. We'll talk soon, Wes. Thank you.
Have a good time.
Yes.
Tell your welder buddy, I don't remember what his name is now.
Nate.
Tell him. Hey, that's it. Have fun, brother.
Hey, thanks, bro. Later,
Thanks,
guys.
man. Have a good day, Wes.
All right, we'll see you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Dude,
What's up, bro?
Sorry, man. I didn't want to be on the phone when you got here. I'm glad I talked to him, though, because we were originally only going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just like this one here, that's 5. But the thing that he said we can't have all these straight. The only reason he did that because it was temporary while he put in a window here. So he said that between this one and this one needs to be a cross beam so the roof can't shift in the vehicle. We're putting a lot of rivets in this thing too, so all that sheet metal, and we have pretty thick sheet metal.
Yeah, say what size sheet metal?
It's 18 gauge. But yeah, anyways though, yeah dude, I meant to start cutting before you got here, but I needed to make sure we were cutting them properly.
Okay. Where's that piece?
Now for me, what piece? What we, oh yeah, this, you mean this thing? This thing?
Hey, that's it. Have fun, brother.
Have a good time.
Hey, that's it. Have fun, brother. 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 Hey, that's it. Have fun, br
right, guys, so that's it for today. Thank you, Nate, for coming over and welding.
Doing my thing.
The supports on there. And yeah, it went really well. It just takes way longer than you'd expect. There's a lot of funny angles you got to cut the square tubing and stuff like that. And yeah, so anyways, he did a really good job though, obviously. And yeah, everything's going really smoothly. It's just taking way longer than expected. So if you like what you see today, hit the subscribe button, like our videos, share them around, hit the bell notifier. We appreciate it very much. And we just want to say thank you to Tommy and Sheriff for being so friendly and thoughtful for like the last year of our lives. Oh, and yeah, they've been so gracious. They've let us do this here for like a year now. So, anyways, yeah, thank you to everybody that's helped with this project so far. It's went really great. It's going slow, but it's going to start picking up. We're going to be moving the bus really soon to the driveway in front of our temporary summer house. So we'll be able to work on it every day. A lot more episodes, a lot more stuff coming your way. So,
So subscribe. How can you not? This is so cool.
so yeah, you heard him. All right, well, thank you guys. Have a good night. Peace and love.